little, please. Look at that. I'm just coming out to check that Fluffy and Splash are okay and gotten into their shelter okay. And that the lammies are all standing okay. Oh, which way am I going? Oops, Splash is not standing in her shelter, but she's under the drive. Oh, good boy, Fluffy. Wow, okay, it is raining. We've just had a big, oh shivers, we've just had a big, heavy lot of rain come through. I'm just out here checking all the animals. Oh, Adam's going to be upset that he's missing this. How beautiful is that, guys? Look at that. Wow. But this is even more beautiful. I don't know if you can read that or not. Oh, I think it's focused in there. I can't even see it, and I want to put the umbrella over it. I think that is like 16 mils. Oh, would you believe? Man, we haven't finished building all the new shelters yet. Hey! Hey, you guys. Wowee. Well, this is absolutely welcome and so beautiful. It'll be interesting to see if anything floods into the dam. Look at that. We've actually, if it was focusing, look at that. Problem is it's just blowing all the dirt. Are you guys okay? Wowee. That's a lot of rain falling and the heavy stuff hasn't even hit yet. Oh, I'm gonna have to bring the boys out. Look, cuddles everybody. Yeah, the ducks are happy. Good weather for ducks and turkeys apparently. How wonderful.